This is the most exciting day I've had in a while because this blank wall is the back of the new dockhouse, and all the solar equipment, the inverter, the charge controllers, all that kind of stuff is going to go on here. So what happens is the solar comes in here, this is the charge controller, this is the DC bus, and then this is the inverter that sends the AC to the house. So I have to dismantle all of this, move it into the new shed, hook it all up again, and go from there. The other thing I have to do, of course, is the heart of the system are the batteries. And it'll finally be in its new home because the old solar shed, the water kept rising and we've had to keep moving it back from the water. The shed actually used to be there a couple of years ago when we did the show 10 years ago. And we moved it 3 times. So now we've gone even further away, which is going to be amazing with the new shed.
This is great!
And it will be Sarah approved. I mean, look, it's already got a white wall in it. So we're rocking.
Okay. Granted, I like white walls, but you know what I like even more? Adding all the pretty things that go in front of the white walls.
I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design. This is my journal of what's happening right now in my world as a creator, an entrepreneur, a partner, and a mom. And I'm sharing it with you. So let's go. Today is another chapter in my design life.
Sarah?
Yes, I'm just...
You have a second, just want to show you something.
I'm busy using my cottage hairdryer. And for those of you who are curious, this is my other cottage hairdryer.
Alrighty, so as you know, in the main cottage, we have rough cut on the ceilings.
Yeah.
The vaulted ceiling. So we ordered rough cut, and this is what we got. And as you can see, this is kind of more of a machine kind of roughness because it's very kind of obvious. It's not just rough pine. And then the other side is smooth. So I'm wondering what you want to do, because I think even if we sand this side here,
Because neither side matches what we already have.
neither side matches. So this one, I think if you sanded it, you'll still see the pattern of the machine. And the problem is that it's half an hour to go in, and by boat 15 minutes to the store, load, etc. So you're probably 3 hours to come back with. That's if they actually have this, because this is what we ordered as rough cut pine. So the question is, what do you want to do? Live with this, and we'll have a more kind of sleek finish in this.
The common theme of building on an island is this is what we got, and it may not be what we want, but what can we do with it? Well, what are the next boards? Like, look at that board. That board's not looking good.
This board here is
Fine on this side, but the rough side's a disaster.
yeah, they're definitely putting the rough in rough cut.
Well, it's not traditional rough cut. That's just shabby.
Well, that's just machine cut, or machine planed, or whatever you want to call it.
That's terrible.
Yeah, you can see the machining on all of them. And
Okay, so the rough side's a non-starter.
yeah. So the question is, do I need to start the boat and go to town and
No, I think we use this side.
this side?
I think that it's going to be smooth. It's just going to be refined. And hey, we can always paint the walls white. Now for the ceiling, we're using tongue and groove, and we're going to whitewash it before it goes up to make life a little easier. You've seen me talking about vinyl flooring. We installed vinyl flooring in the porch, and then we decided that there were a few other areas where we could put it, like in the dockhouse, and also in the laundry room that's going to be located off our bedroom. So let's check in with our install crew. They're pros. You ready? Oh, hi guys!
Hey!
Fiona! Who's in charge here?
Who's in charge? You. No, you are.
This is Brianna. When she was a teenager, she was our mother's helper on the island when the girls were tiny, and she's like family to us. She's off to university on a skiing scholarship in a few short weeks. But first, she's acting as my right hand on the island project, pitching in and helping us get this done.
Is that what you do on every one, Fee?
Yep.
Show me how it's done.
It just kind of clicks in
Yeah.
like that, and then Fee comes.
Ooh, you're fierce. Is it fun?
Yeah. Today we're doing the laundry room.
Which is kind of a cozy laundry room. The laundry room is located here in the peak of the roof. That's the fireplace chimney. We're gonna have some windows here. In here, we're gonna have storage. Right now, we have 2 girls working.
Work is happening inside and out, and we've had our share of setbacks. Sometimes it's like 1 step forward and 2 steps back. And a renovation can seem like climbing a mountain. It feels like you're never gonna make it to the top. But with a little help, you can pull it off. Woo! Look at that girl power!
7:30. Crew's still working. I'm covered in sawdust. I'm also covered in paint, but I would say today has been a great day. I think I just ate some sawdust. Now I have to go and get dinner ready for everybody.
Can I clean you off first?
Yes, please.
There's the cleaner offer.
There's the
Oh
cleaner
yes.
offer.
Somewhat clean.
Well, I'll get less sawdust in the house now. Okay, now I'm going to my dinner job.